In this lecture, we're going to demonstrate the foreground window callout. First off, what is a foreground window? Well, let's suppose I open something, say my system preferences, and it pops open in a window. This, in fact, is a foreground window because it is a window, number one, and number two, it is in the foreground. It is on top. Suppose I wanted this to pop out more and make it really stand out and easy for my audience to follow. I can add a foreground window callout. To add the foreground window callout, I'm going to go to my callout menu, the circle with the arrow in the middle. I'm going to click Action, and this time I'm going to select Foreground Window. So as you can see, two things happened. Number one, the background darkened because of this opacity. 75% is the default. I can darken it to anything I want. So let's say 50%, 60%. And the second thing you can really do is to zoom it up. So it's easier to see. That increases the magnification. And then lastly, I'm going to add a little build in and build out. That means it won't just pop up instantaneously. It'll take a little time to build. And then also on the way out, it's going to build. So let's take a quick look at what this looks like. I'm going to take my cursor, my playhead, move it a little before, and now let me hit the play button so you can see what it looks like. It is in the foreground. It is on top. Suppose I wanted this to pop out more. And that is adding a foreground window callout.